Hello everybody, my name is Push and today we're going to be unboxing these. And these are AirPod 3 clones. I got them for $25. Now don't mind my bootleg setup. I don't really have enough money or stuff like that to get a actual folding table to actually do unboxings and stuff like this on. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so these actually look pretty Apple-like on the front, but when you get to the back, it doesn't really look Apple-like, as there's no Apple ink or anything like that. There's no Apple logos or anything that says AirPods on it. So, yeah. Another thing that I noticed is the box is actually quite rattly, which isn't really what Apple does. But other than that, it can trick people. It could trick like family or friends or people that don't really know tech. But yeah, let's start opening the box. I got my add-in-it pen, and yeah, let's just make an incision. Okay, and now we open the box, or well, take off the plastic wrap. Alright, and here it is. So now we just open the box like so. And there's a hair in it. That's, Apple doesn't do that with theirs. Bringing it close up, you can see the long, well, short piece of hair and the AirPods 3. And this disgusting box. So now let's remove that piece of hair. I'm just gonna use this piece of cling wrap or whatever. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, so now let's actually get to the AirPods themselves. So let's just pick them up. I swear if this thing gives me COVID, I will not be happy. And okay, so let's bring this close to the camera. There's this thing on it. Oh yeah, it just wipes off. Okay. So they actually do look pretty close to what we've seen with the AirPods 3 renders and all that. So yeah, I would give them an A+ for the case design. Okay, so now let's actually take them out of its plastic wrap over here. I think we just, oh, okay. So yeah, there's a pull tab. Pull like that. And here they are. Ooh. Is that a scratch? It is. It came scratched. Okay, I think I need to get this up close on camera. Yeah, right there. You can see the scratch right over here. It's a pretty big and deep one. But hey, how do they actually sound? So we'll be testing that in a minute. So let's see what else comes into the box. Actually, yeah, just pull this up. And there's another hair in the box right here. I don't even know if that's my hair or from the person who made this. Just put it there. And it does come with a lightning cable. So if you don't have a lightning cable, hey, this will come in handy and hopefully not burn your house down while charging. So yeah. And also it comes with a little instruction manual, which was folded like this. But this one shipped from the USA, so I don't know why it didn't ship like this. But yeah, that's everything in the box. So let's just pack everything back like this. I'll put that right there. And put it to the side. Okay, so now let's see how they pair up. So I have my iPad 7th generation on the side right here. So yeah, let's see if anything special pops up when we open the case. Not your AirPods Pro. Huh. Okay, so that's actually pretty cool. So it actually thinks that what we have here is an AirPods Pro, if I can just do that. Okay, so yeah. This is now your AirPods Pro, which is pretty strange. I thought I bought AirPod 3s. But I guess it thinks I got AirPod Pros. So yeah, let's just pair these really quick and get this thing started. Okay, so connect, and it says hold the bottom button. So let me just do that. Okay, hold the bottom button. And it's connecting. It's actually pretty cool. And it tells you how to do everything on it. I've never seen this, so I'm just gonna sit and watch right through it. But yeah, I mean, it just gives you all the stuff like transparency mode, I'm guessing, and the noise cancellation as well. I don't know how well this is going to imitate it, but yeah. Oh my god, they actually came basically fully charged as well. So that's pretty cool. So we can do a battery test and see how long the battery actually runs, which is actually pretty cool. Alright, so now let's listen to music and see how it actually sounds. But before we do that, I'm probably just going to do my B-roll. And yeah, so you don't see dirty earpods. Or well, AirPods, as we're doing B-roll. So yeah, let me just go do the B-roll real quick, and then we'll hear how they sound. Okay, so I'm back from shooting the B-roll. I hope you like it. I mean, it's my second B-roll, to be honest, so I'm not really that good at it, but I try my best. So let's get these on and connected to actually listen to music. Okay. Wow, they actually feel pretty decent in the ears. They fit quite nicely, to be honest. So now let's actually put some music. And I'm going to be playing some Imagine Dragons, so let's start with natural. Okay, so right away, I mean, they put all the noise in, so I don't really feel any blockage of the sound. So let's try some of the... Oh, okay, so it's on transparency. Huh, that's actually weird how they just start on transparency first rather than noise cancellation or off. Let's try noise cancellation. And now let's try off. And transparency. So, to be honest, there is probably... Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so, to be fair, they do sound pretty decent as earbuds. And for around $25 that I got them, I mean, they do sound really good. But I don't know. The transparency doesn't really work. The noise cancellation doesn't work at all. I am guessing because they just stuck the AirPods Pro thing onto it, so it doesn't really have it. They just put it as AirPod Pros, so then it actually obtains those features. but it really doesn't have them. But I mean, they do sound really, really good. For the money that you actually buy them for, they sound really good, and I'm actually really satisfied with my purchase, to be honest. So the question is, should you actually buy these clone AirPod 3s for $25 or $50, or how many they are when you actually go get them? I mean, yes and no. So if you want to wait for the actual Apple branded ones, then no, they're not worth it. But if you just want to have earbuds that actually work and they actually sound decently good and they pair up in Apple's ecosystem, then yes, these are really good, and you can actually troll family, friends, or anyone you actually pretty much know with these. I mean, they do look much like real AirPods. So yeah, you can actually troll family, friends, and anyone you see really with these. And I mean, hey, I paid $30 and I got this lightning cable, which would retail for $20. Even though this is fake, I mean, I'm probably still gonna use it. Hopefully it doesn't burn my house down though. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I might make a full review on these later, talk about how they actually sound, like the bass, the mids, the highs, all that stuff. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please. Jeez, no, content match. Okay, so with that out of the way, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.